Good morning, Manga Kalasa. Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice for His glory and grace. We thank you, Lord, for this wonderful morning that you gave us, and we thank you for our strength every day in life. Forgive us our sin, O Lord. Manga Kalasa, as you can see, we're done yesterday of our second floor slab, concrete pouring. Today we will do installation of formworks for second floor column and preparation of roof beam. Today is our 74 day of progress development of our construction project. Please watch until the end of my video, Manga Kalasa. Don't forget to follow, to subscribe, to share, to click, pick, and to hit the notification bell to always be updated in my daily uploaded videos. This is Mr. Serg's _ Manga Kalasa team.
Mr. Serg's _ Kalasa TV.